Hello, this is Shankar Datta. Today I am going to explain a problem safe and bulb inventation from CodeSafe August 2021. Here you can see the problem statement is like Safe is trying to invent the light bulb that can run at room temperature without electricity. So he has n gases numbered from 0 to n minus 1 that he can use, and he doesn't know which one of the n gases will work, but we do know it. Now Cepheid invent algorithm as its own. The algorithm is like, at first he choose an integer k and select all indices I in increasing order such that I mod k equal to 0 and test the gases on such indices, and then all indices I in increasing order such that I mod k equal to 1 and test the gases, and so on. So in this algorithm we will check. Now the n is given and a gas P which will work, that's also given, and the K is given. Find after how many times Safe will able to give the safe run a new inventation, assuming that the testing one gas takes 1 day. Okay, I am showing you this example here. This n is 5, P is 2 and K is 3. As n is 5, so there are 0 to 4, total 5 gases, 0 to 4, and we know that this gas number 2 will work, but he don't know. He have choose integer k which is 3. Now he will check this 0 to 4, these 4 gases, in which case the mod value will be 0. He have see that 0 mod 3 is 0. Okay, she use this gas number 0 at the first day, but as it is not a gas number 2, so he failed. So in the first day he have used the gas number 0, and next day he will check is there any other gas left, for what this mod value will 0. Yes, the gas number 3, it will give him the mod value 0. So in the second day he use this gas number 3 for his inventation, but again in that day he failed. In the third day he'll choose that is there any other gas left for what this mod value will 0. No, so he moves on for 1 and check for which gas this mod value will be 1. Here the gas number 1 giving him the mod value 1. So you have work with this gas number 1. Again, as it is not a gas number 2, so in that day again he failed. In the fourth day again he choose is there any other gas for 1, mod value 1. Yes, the gas number 4, but again he have failed for his inventation. And on day 5 he will choose that yes, the gas number 2 giving him the mod value 2. So he will choose the gas number 2 for inventation in that day, and yes, he has success, as it is a gas number P equal to 2. So on the day 5 he has success with his inventation. So he need to spend 5 days for his inventation. In that way Safe is working. Now you need to find out that so it is for Safe, but you have to find out at which day this the Safe will find out this formula, this gas. Okay, so see that. Okay, you can see at first he can find out, you can find out all the mod value for 0 to 4, and then you can sort it in that way with the mod value. At first the 0 mod value will be present, then the 1's mod value will be present in that way, and then you'll find out where this P equal to is coming. Is coming on a day 5. Okay, you can do this way. I can show you some other examples like n equal to 10, P equal to 5 and K equal to 5. The examples are from there. Okay, see that example. Again I have choose all the I have find out all the mod value for 0 to 9, because n is 10, so 0 to 9, this 10 case I have find out the mod value with K equal to 5. Then I have sort it with the index value. There is 2 0, then 2 1, then 2 2, then 2 3, in that way. Okay, I have sorting it. Then I find out at which day this P equal to 5, this gas is present. You can see that in the second day you have find out this gas. So the answer will be 2. You can see here. Okay, now you can ask me that he can choose this, he can do it in that way, because here also this mod value is giving him the 0, so he can choose this 5 gas before that 0 gas, but no, because he have to choose it in the increasing order. So at the first day he need to choose this gas number 0, then in the second day he will choose this gas number 5. In that way he'll do his inventation. So for this example the answer will be 2. Okay, now see the next 3 examples. Here also the n is 10 and k is 5, so I can use this same table to find out all the answers. Okay, for p equal 6, in which day? Day 1, 2, 3, 4. On a day 4, Chef can find out his finding gas. Okay, his answer is 4. For p equal to 4, you can see day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer will be 9. And for the p equal to 8, the answer will be 8. Okay, see the answers. So in that way, so you have to choose what? You have to check in how many days, how many times the mod value 0 come, how many times the mod value 1 come, how many times the mod value 2 comes. In that way, you can see that when the 6's come here. So in that way, you can find out. But the problem is, you can see the constant, it is 10 to the 9. So if you want to do that, we'll check all the mod values for 0 to 10 to the 9 numbers of cases, and then we'll sort it and find out that in which place your p's come. It will take a long time, and which is not possible within this time limit 1 seconds. So you need to find out any other algorithms to solve it. Now I am showing you another example for n equal to 19, p is 11 and k is 7. As n is 19, so it will be 0 to 18, total 19 gases. Now when p will come, see when p is coming here. So to find out, I am using 3 integers x, y and z. Here x is n minus 1 mod k, n minus 1 because n is 19 and the gas number highest is 18. So 18 mod k, it is 4. 18 divided by k, it is 2, and p is 11. 11 mod 7, it is 4. I am finding out these 3 integers for my solving purpose. Okay, now how to use this x, y and z? See how many times for the 11. Okay, for the 11 the mod value is 4. Okay, so before coming here, the chef already have spent this 3, 6, 9 and 12. This 12 days for this inventation already have spent before coming the mod value 4. So I am avoiding this 4 at first, and I am choosing for mod value 3. That how many days he have used to find out all the mod values 3, 2 and 1 and 0. How to find it? Okay, 0 to 3, so total 4 times. Okay, 0 to 3 total 4 times. So the formula will be like, the answer is 4. 4 is z, and in each day in each mod it takes 3 days. 3 means this y plus 1. So if I use this z into y plus 1, this formula, see how it will be answered. Z is 4 into y plus 2 plus 1, it is 3, it will be 12. And see here, this 3, 6, 9, 12. This 12 is taken to find out all the gases for what this mod value will be less than 4. Then you have to find out that which day this 11 will come. It is coming. So you have to do one more thing, like after this answer part, answer plus, so this 12 plus p divided by k plus 1. See, this 12 plus p divided by k will be 1 because 11 by 7 it will be 1 plus 1, so it will be 14 answer. See, the answer is 14. 12, 13, 14. On the 14th day he can find out the gas. So if we use these two lines, just z into y plus 1 and then answer plus p by k plus 1, it will give me the answer. But there is some problem again. In case of p equal to 6, now see, if I use this formula for p equal to 6, okay, as the p value is 6, see here, what is value of z? It is 4. No, it will be 6. Okay, 6 mod 7, it will be 6. So now 6 into y plus 1, it is 3. How it will be answered? 18. Then it will be 18 plus 6 by 7, it will be 0 plus 1. So the answer will be 19. Now let's find it. Okay, it is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But here he can have it on the day 18, but in the answer it is showing the day 19. So what is the problem here? Actually, I am choosing y plus 1 because every time it is present 3 times. But in case of 5, the mod value 5, it is just present 2 times. Why? Because after 12, when the next time the mod value will be 5, on that, if it is 19 mod 7, it will be 5. But the problem is 19 is not present in the range because it is just 0 to 18. That's why here the 5 is present for 2 times. Same for 16, same for 6, because on the 20 mod 7 it will be 6, but 20 is not in the range. So in that case, where I need to modify these two lines in some other way, like if if x is greater than or equal to z, x is 4, so only the 0 to 4, only is 0 to 4. In all the cases, it is continue for 3 times. But after 4, when the mod value is changed for 5 or 6 or more than that, then it will be less than 1. I mean, here it is 3, it will be 2 times. So until x is greater than or equal to z, until that you have no problem, you can use this formula, okay, for your answer. But when the else, if you see that this z is more than x, here is this z is 6 and x is 4, in that way you need to use this line. Okay, at first just try to understood that how many times this mod value is continue for 3 times. For 0 to 4, total 5 times. Okay, so how to find it? X plus 1, x plus 1 because x is 4, so 0 to 4 total 5 times. Total 5 times, it will continue for y plus 1 time. But after this day, in the rest, for the when I many times that 5 is coming for the total days z, I already spent x plus 1, so x, so for these days it will be just into y is 2 and c, here is present just 2 times. So here I need to modify it like that in case of z is greater than x, and then the last line will be same here again, and after that you need to find out, you need to print the answer. Okay, you can check this if else statement and this line, can check that it will work. Okay, so I hope you have understood the, how to solve this problem. At first you need to check these 3 values and then do this if else statement and the last line and print the answer. So I hope you have understood the problem. If you have still any confusion, please comment it. I will try to help you. And thanks for watching my video.